Hello again, everyone. One of my subscribers asked me to find factors and solve this quadratic problem. So let's go ahead and find the factors first. So the very first thing I want you to go ahead and put down two parentheses, okay? The very first thing. Now the next thing I want you to just look at this part only. Forget about the power, the exponent. So I want you to put down 12x right up here, and I want you to put down 12x right up here. The next thing what I want you to do is I want you to multiply 12 times these end numbers 12 and 72. Let me just put it down over here somewhere. 12 times 72 right now over here. Now we're gonna be finding the factors. We're gonna break them down in such a way that if we add or subtract, we must get negative 59. So let me show you an easy way. Go ahead and find the factors for 12. 12 could give you 4 and 3. These are the possible feasible kind of factors for us. And 72 is going to be simply 9 times 8, isn't it? So we got this thing. So whatever you got, 12 times 72 is same as 4 times 3 times 9 times 8. Here I'm going to show you a little bit nice trick over here. I want you to multiply 3 times 9 is going to give you 27, isn't it? And I want you to multiply 4 times 8 is going to give you 32. If you add 27 and 32, that's going to give you 59. Since that's a negative 59, I'm going to put a negative and negative sign. So that means, so these are the numbers that we need. So these are the factors. So I'm going to go ahead and put down these one over here, negative 27 right up here, and negative 32 over here. And by the way, some of my subscribers asked me how we can come up with these this way. So well, let me tell you, it needs lots of practice. Practice makes perfect. So keep trying, and I'm sure you will be perfect. So now the next thing what I want you to do is simply look at in the first parentheses 12 and 27, these numbers. I want you to look for a greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor for 12 and 27 is for sure 3, isn't it? So this is the biggest number that divides into both of them. Likewise, look at 12 and 32. The biggest number that divides into both of them, the greatest common factors is 4. So you just go ahead and simply divide this one, and that is going to give you 4x minus 9, and that's going to give you 3x minus 8. And that is the answer. These are our factors. So now in the second step, we are going to solve this quadratic equation. So in order to solve, we must set it equal to 0. So in the previous step, we already found out our factors. And what were those two factors? Those factors was, do you recall that one? The first one, 4x minus 9, and the other one was 3x minus 8, and set it equal to 0. So now we're gonna, since they are equal to 0, we're gonna split them up. I'm gonna say 4x minus 9 equal to 0. The second factor, 3x minus 8 equal to 0. So we're gonna solve both of them. Here I'm gonna add 9. So what happens over here, this is gone. We got 4x equal to 9. I want you to divide both sides by 4. So x turns out to be 9 over 4. That is our one of the solutions. Likewise, we're gonna add 8 this time over here to get rid of 8. So what is gonna happen is this negative 8 and positive 8 cancels out. We got 3x equals to 8. I want you to divide both sides by 3. So x turns out to be 8 over 3. So thus our solution set turns out to be a 9 over 4 and 8 over 3. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.